All right, so next week is finals week. This is the last day of class. Next week is finals week. You have a final exam review assignment that is due by Sunday at midnight. The instructions are in your Canvas final module. The idea is that you're going to review through chapters 9 through 15, selecting 4 questions taken directly out of the book. Put together a total of 28 questions, submit it in the exact same format, that very specific format that was required of the midterm. Remember, no bulleted list. It has to be a tab key and an enter key. And remember that format that we did for the midterm? So 28 questions. It needs to be submitted by Sunday at midnight. If you submit it after Sunday at midnight, it will not be accepted, because I'm going to compile them together and push out some flashcards for your study pleasure, your study activities. The one thing that I will mention is that Chapter 15 covers Java and C++. Because we didn't study Java and C++ outside of our original Hello World programs, I don't want you to include questions that are specific to those 2 programming languages. You can include questions that are specific to programming in general, but not those 2 languages. You can include questions that are specific to Python and what we have studied in class over the last 2 weeks, specific to Python. Anyway, it's due by Sunday at midnight. As soon as I've compiled it, I'll push it out. The final exam opens bright and early Monday morning. Yes, this coming Monday morning at 8 a.m. Closes promptly Wednesday at midnight. Not Thursday, but Wednesday at midnight. I will warn you that it closes Wednesday at midnight, which means that if you are still working on it Wednesday at 11:59, it will kick you out and not save any of your answers. You need to be done by the closing date and time. And again, for those of you who like to push the envelope, living dangerously right on the edge of things, it closes at 11:59:01. That's 01 second, not 11:59:59. So it closes at 11:59:01. Just keep that in mind as you're pushing the envelope. I would suggest you don't do that. Anyway, so check the date on the extra credit for the course eval. And if you want extra credit worth 2 classworks, make sure that you do course evals on all the courses that you're currently enrolled in, as well as the CS1030 exit survey, and submit screenshots by the due date.